I hope you all doing exuberantly well. So here I thank and congratulate everyone who decided to learn Python. Obviously, you're at right place, and I will give you a new learning experience and completely a different perspective you would never have gotten if you wouldn't have come here. So now enough chilling out, let's get to the serious business. Now here in this video I'm gonna talk about the way to navigate my intuitive Python for you course. So intuitive Python for you, it is the name of the course. So if you observe or if you watch the screen, it's evident that you might have noticed that I have divided Python into 7 logical and functional modules, which are further divided into different number of parts. So this is a holistic and wholesome approach to learn Python more intuitively. So if you just look into it, it's clear that, so first we start with the hardware architecture, then Python object types. So these are all 7 modules that we have here, and out of which each is represented with a specific color, so that you would understand why each is represented with a specific color, and each will have a specific set of number of videos that are designated as part 1, part 2, part 3 under the heading of these modules. So now to begin with, we will look into computer hardware architecture first. That is our first module. So this module is going to have 2 videos in it. So basically these 2 videos are part 1 and part 2 under the heading of hardware architecture. So I'll place the navigation video for every video in between the logo introduction and then the main content, so that to make you aware where you are and to make sure you're not lost in between. That's the whole point of keeping or making this navigational video. And so this is how it represents, and so the same applies to other modules too. So in Python, for example, the second module is our Python object types. So here we have 9 parts of videos under this module. For example, when you are in part 2, so when you are in part 2, let's navigate it to that. When you are in part 2, yes, under this module, so the part 2 is numeric literals. So the video name block will be highlighting with orange, and the one which has already been finished, or the video which has earlier to that will be with a transparent orange color to differentiate which you are going to play and which has already been done, or which has already placed, which has been earlier you watched it. So that's how you can differentiate the videos. And basically the same applies to each video. As you finish your videos ahead, the previous videos will be shown as a dull orange or a transparent orange, whereas the one which you have to watch, which you will be watching, will be on dark orange. So similarly, we move to the next module. The same applies to this module also, but the thing is the color varies. That's what I have mentioned at the beginning of this video, why your modules have a specific color. So because the specific color represents a specific module parts. So that's how it works here. So this is yellow, and in the beginning, the menu also it's yellow. The same applies to the functions module. The same applies to the modules module, and then same applies to the classes and oops. So basically, I just want to give you a clear picture of how to navigate this course in YouTube, so that it would be very easy for you to learn a step by step or a sequential manner, a chronological order, so that you'll get a complete benefit or complete advantage of uh, watching this course. It's not just watching some kind of video. So with this, we'll wrap up this session, and basically we will enter into the actual action ahead. So thanks, see you again.